The KitchenAid Mixer Attachment Pack with Citrus Juicer. The set includes the KitchenAid Citrus Juicer and Food Grinder, as well as our Sausage Stuffer Kit and Food Tray. Using the power of the stand mixer, you save time, turning fresh ingredients into delicious results. Our citrus juicer quickly and easily produces a fresh squeezed glass of juice. The KitchenAid Food Grinder gives you an easy way to bring wholesomeness to the table with fresh ground ingredients you choose. Our Sausage Stuffer Kit creates delicious sausages from choice cuts of fresh ground meat. And our Food Tray makes it easy to work with large quantities by more than doubling the space for your fresh ingredients. The Mixer Attachment Pack with Citrus Juicer from KitchenAid, making every meal an occasion. Another reason to love your KitchenAid stand mixer.